Hello guys, this is CS50 in the Josing this side. I'm basically from India, Punjab. I live in Jalandhar. So yeah, for my CS50 final project, I've made a Flask application. It is a web app. I've constructed it using Python, Bootstrap, and other tools that we have learned in CS50. I've also used a SQLite database and use some Ajax and JavaScript. This text animation that you can see it is by JavaScript basically. I made a responsive and sensitive navbar. So yeah, on the when we do like register, let's register. If I go for any name, if I won't give any password, then it's gonna show me an error. Yeah, I can't leave any fields blank. So yeah, hardest password 1. I'm gonna be redirected to my login page to uh, confirm my details. Now I am in this search bar where I can like give all the details about the ingredients and uh, other criteria that I can specify. Then the dish would be more specific to me. Let's go for chicken. Yeah, that has to be high protein, I guess. Allergy, wheat free. Meal type, let's go for dinner. And as test has to be main course. All this like parameters are optional. We don't need to specify them. We can also give the name of like multiple ingredients just by giving a space in between. And I have to search. Now all the possible result would be displayed to me, like all these dishes that satisfy my criteria. I can also have a look at other details like this chicken, all 3 ingredients, and along with the nutritional value, calories, sugar, and fat content it has. I can also check its recipe. Now I'm gonna be redirected to other page. Yeah, all these details about this dish. There, by clicking on this instruction, I can get about this recipe. Let's go back to our main page. I've made this card by using Ajax, and all these other cards are with the help of Twitter Bootstrap. I can also bookmark the same. This one chicken stew looks good. Bro, I'm hungry. Let's check our bookmark section. We possibly have like these 2 dishes. Yeah, we can also remove them if we don't want them anymore. Let's remove it. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. That's how my application works and looks like. I can also log out. Log out. Yeah. So hopefully that was good, and yeah, you can share your valuable comments in the comment section if I should add some more details. That was pretty hard for me. I think it was my 10th take. Making website was way more easier than making this video.